Hello, in this video we want to evaluate the following problems in the form a plus ib, that is in the form of complex number, where we have the real parts to be a and the complex part to be b. Don't forget a and b are real numbers. Okay, now let's go there. Let's solve this. How do we solve this? Now for the first one, we have 1 plus I all over 2 minus I. So what we need to do here is to rationalize the denominator by its conjugate. Okay? Now, what do we mean by the conjugator? The conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of 2 minus I is 2 plus I. The conjugate simply means you reverse or you change the sign of the value of the denominator. You change the sign from minus to plus. So now rationalize by the conjugate, rationalize by the conjugate 2 plus I. So we multiply by the conjugate 2 plus I. So that means what? We have 1 plus I all over 2 minus I multiplied by 2 plus I all over 2 plus I. That's the meaning. Okay, that means 1 plus I multiplying 2 plus I, that way, all over 2 minus I multiplying 2 plus I. Okay, so now let's open it up. We want to expand. You multiply 1 by 2 plus I, 1 into 2 plus I. Then we have plus I remaining here, plus I. Again, multiply by 2 plus I, 2 plus I. Everything all over. You take 2 here, 2 into 2 plus I, yes. Then multiply the remaining by what? Minus I into 2 plus I. That's what we call a what? Expansion. Okay. Now, the next thing now is to expand. Let's expand. To expand, we're going to have what? We're going to have 1 times 2. That is what? 2. Are we following? 2. Then 1 times plus I. Plus I, good. Now we have expanded this. Now plus I times 2 plus 2I, beautiful. Now plus I times plus I plus I squared. Everything all over. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times plus I plus 2I. Then minus I times 2 minus 2I, yes. Minus I times plus I. That's minus I squared. So that will be equal to what? Now let's collect like terms. We have 2 here, good. So we don't have any other ordinary number here. So we have 2 plus. Now I plus 2I is like saying x plus 2x. That'll be what? 3I, good. Then plus. Now don't forget in complex number, I square is equals to minus 1. So you have minus 1 all over. Now 4, any other number there? No. 4. Then plus 2I minus 2I. They will cancel out each other. Then minus what? Minus. Then I squared, like I told you, I squared in complex number is equal to what? Minus 1. So you write minus 1 here. Okay. Now, what goes? Let's try to collect like terms again. 2 minus 1, yes. Then plus 3I, good. All over 4. Then minus times minus is plus 1. So that will give us what? 2 minus 1 is 1, then plus 3I all over 5. So now that has given us what? 1 plus 3I all over what? All over 5. Okay. Now let's clean it. Let's write the question here. 3 over 5 plus 2I. Okay. Now, finally, we can split this into what? 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5I, because 5 is a divisor for the 2. Okay, so now since the question says we should find what? The form involve what? A plus IB. So we have been able to express our results in that form now, because now you're having like a form. If you compare this form with what we obtained here, you observe that A is equal to 1 over 5, while B is equals to 3 all over 5. Okay, so A plus IB, our high is still high. So the real part of this problem is 1 over 5, while the imaginary part of the problem is 3 over 5. Okay. Now the second question. Now we want to express the second question is 3 minus 4i all over 5 plus 2i. So just like we did for the first one, rationalize the denominator by its conjugate. So the conjugate of this denominator is 5 minus 2i. So now say times 5 minus 2i all over 5 minus 2i. So that becomes what? 3 minus 4i into bracket 5 minus 2i all over 5 plus 2i into bracket 5 minus 2i. So by the time you expand, you have what? 3 into, just bring this out, then put this one there, 5 minus 2i, beautiful. Then you have minus 4i left here, minus 4i, again repeat, 5 minus 2i. Everything over, pick 5 into 5 minus 2i. What do you have left here? Plus 2i into 5 minus 2i. So by the time you expand, what do you have? 3 times 5 is what? 15, good. 3 times minus 2i, that's minus 6i, good. Minus 4i times 5, minus 20i, beautiful. Then minus 4i times minus 2i, plus 8i squared, good. All over 5 times 5, 25. Then 5 times minus 2i, minus 10i, good. Plus 2i times 5, that's plus 10i, good. Then plus 2i times minus 2i, that's minus 4i squared, good. So let's evaluate. Let's collect like terms. We have what? 15, yes. Minus 6i minus 20i, that's minus 26i, okay. Then plus 8 multiplied by I squared is what? Minus 1. So everything all over what? 25. Then minus 10i plus 10i. They cancel each other out. Then minus 4 into, what is I squared? Minus 1. Okay. So what next? Just simplify by collecting like terms. Okay. So we have what? 15 minus 26i. Then plus 8 times minus 1, that's minus 8, all over 25 minus 4 times minus 1, plus 4. So that gives us what? Collect like terms, we have 15 minus 8, then minus 26i, all over 25 plus 4, that is 29. So that gives us what? 15 minus 8, that's 7 minus 26i, all over 29. So now to express it in form of a plus ib, to express our answer in form of a plus ib, we divide through by 29. So we have what? 7 over 29, then minus 26i over 29. So that is how to express it in form of a plus ib. So our a here is 7 over 29, while our b is what? Minus 26 over 29. So with this, we have come to the end of this problem. So let me give us an assignment which I want us to submit in the comment section. Now we want to evaluate this 7 minus 3i all over 6 plus 2i. So write the answer in the comment section. If you are watching this video or you are joining us for the first time, do well to subscribe to this video channel, Dr. OJ Digital, and click the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be duly notified. So for us that have been part of this big family, congratulations. Please don't forget, share, comment, and like. God bless you. Bye.